Mould steel plate cutting bandsaw machine is a specialized type of bandsaw. It is used in various industries, including automotive, aerospace, and manufacturing, to create molds for metal components. This machine is equipped with a strong and durable blade designed to cut through hardened steel. It has a large cutting capacity to handle thick mold steel plates. The typically features adjustable cutting speed to accommodate different steel alloys and plate. The cutting process involves clamp the steel plate in place and feed it through the bandsaw blade. The blade moves in a continuous loop, allowing for efficient and precise cutting. The machine may have additional features such as coolant systems to reduce friction and heat during the cutting process. Mould steel plate cutting bandsaw machines are often used in metal fabrication shops, tool and die making facilities, and other manufacturing operations. For more information, just contact us directly.